Do you know ABC?
Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Aryan, thank you so much. You're a brave girl. And now I will ask you A to Z and you have to answer them, okay?
A.
She? I will ask you, you have to answer, okay? Ready?
Yeah.
A for
Apple.
B for
Fox.
C for
Cat.
D for
Dog.
E for
Elephant.
F for
Fish.
G for
Flower.
H for I for
Igloo.
J for
Jelly bean.
jelly bean, okay? K for Aryan, K for
Kangaroo.
L for
Lion.
M for M
T for tiger.
yeah, M for
Monkey. Monkey say.
You're so sweet. Okay, N for, what about N? N is for,
Nuts.
okay. And O for,
Orange.
P for, P
Pink.
for, P
Pink.
for
Pink.
pink. Good girl. Q for,
Mommy, this is pink.
yes, that is pink, right? Q for,
My bike is pink.
yeah, your bike is pink. Okay,
My
Q for,
my baby bike.
yeah, your baby bike is pink. Okay, can you tell me Q for? Q is for
Queen.
queen. R for
Rainbow.
S for
Snake.
T for
Tiger.
U for
Umbrella.
V for
Violet.
W for
Wheel.
X for
Zebra.
Y for
Yo-yo.
Z for
Zebra.